How to share notes on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can share notes on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to share notes on Instagram, all you have to do is make sure you've updated the Instagram app to the latest version, otherwise you might not have notes. After you've done that, you can simply open the Instagram application here and then just come to the DMs page. And if you want to share a note, here you can see other people has already shared their note. To add your own note, you can just tap the plus icon here and then simply actually add anything that you want here. And then after you've done that, you can also simply add a song that you like in order for this to show it on your Instagram notes. This way you can share notes on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.